Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making delicious flavored curry leaves mixture. It's a great evening snack, super delicious, very quick and easy to make, and partly healthy. So now you're going to add 500 grams of thin poha and you're going to dry roast it for a few minutes. Just be careful not to burn them. Nobody likes burnt snacks. So make sure to roast them well, mix them around, do whatever cooking special skills you have, and dry roast them. So after a while, you'll see that they're kind of changing color. If you take a few in your hands and try to crush them, they'll crush very easily. That means that they've roasted. So now you're going to take them out of the pan and add 4 teaspoons of oil. And then you're going to add some jeera. And now you're going to add a couple of peanuts. And you're just going to fry them. Not deep fry though, just lightly fry. Make sure to mix them around. And now you're going to add split dal. Mix this around well too. You want it to nicely mix and nicely fry. Now you're going to add small sago, but you can also add big sago if you want, but we chose to add small ones. So now make sure to mix them around again. There's a lot of mixing here, so be prepared. You can see it's starting to get bigger. So now you're going to add a couple of red chilies for that flavor and spice. So mix it well, and now you're going to add some crushed garlic. I don't know what flavor that is. Some breath, mint, some kind. Well, it's good flavor. Now you're going to add a bit of turmeric powder and a little bit of salt, as much as you wish. Mix it around again. But before you do that, you're going to add curry leaves chutney powder. This is the main ingredient. Gives it its flavor. We made this in one of our previous videos. The link to this will be in the description below. So mix it well. And now you're going to add your roasted poha. Make sure to mix it all well. You want it to combine nicely together. So mix well, very well. And take your time so that it all blends in nicely. And once you're done, it should look like this. Or something like this. It should be spread around everywhere. So, after a while of mixing, it's ready. Sprinkle a few spices on there if you're a sucker for extra flavor. And enjoy! Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And enjoy this super tasty treat. Bye!